Alright, what's up everybody? Scatterbrain Dad here. Mop Street 83. Just cutting some trees today. No, just kidding. We're doing sprinkler repair today. But Mop Street's over here like getting mad at these trees.
I'm angry at you, tree! Yeah!
No, just kidding.
No, just
He's not.
we
can work a little easier on him. Check out that car, dude. Jamming out. Alright, let's check this out. Today's problem, right, we've got this little section of lawn right here. So we've got this little section that we need to make. Obviously there's some problems here with sprinkler coverage. We just replaced the sprinkler here, and they're these old metal sprinklers. So the problem that we have right here is the city came in and put some like bus rapid transit shit in here, and they tore up everyone's lawn, put new concrete, right? So we had some problems out there, and they put a new piece of concrete here. So in the meantime, they decided that they were just gonna bend this little sprinkler riser here and put the concrete right over it. Now, I'm not like a concrete expert. Let me clean this up. I'm just gonna clean that off every video. But I'm not a concrete expert, right? But I do know that you know you gotta put some forms to the side of that. So there was obviously a form to the side of this, and they had to dig. So there's no way they did not see this sprinkler, especially with that on the top of it. But anyways, so we're gonna fix it, and so what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it, we're gonna unscrew the little piece off of it, and then we're gonna add some funny pipe, and we're gonna bring the sprinkler out next to the concrete. So we're gonna cut it, unscrew it, add a funny pipe, and probably put, well, see, the shitty thing is the sprinkler's in a bad location because, well, the distance here versus where it's got to spray over here, this side, is we're gonna be getting the concrete wet. So we'll probably run the funny pipe a little farther onto this side instead of farther over this side, if that makes sense to any of you guys. So let's get after it. Alright, we're just gonna show you a little bit about what we're gonna do. So just cut it right kind of at the top there so we can still get the, well, a little farther, a little lower, like right at the concrete line.
Why am I using these cutters?
I don't know, because I grabbed those cutters. The other ones are a little bulkier. Maybe cut one more ring off of that bad boy. There we go. Yeah! Now we can get in there with the pliers and unscrew it. Alright, so check it out. It's gonna be underneath the concrete. We're gonna screw one of these bad boys on there, and then we're going to slip this funny pipe onto that, and then we're gonna put the funny pipe onto this sprinkler right here and add that sprinkler right there. So, easy peasy. Simple.
Not quite.
Kind of simple.
Well, there's concrete.
Push the pipe down a little bit. Can we? No? We're gonna have to dig underneath the pipe just a little bit so we can flex it just enough so we can get that onto the PVC. We're dealing with, we've got this much room into the concrete, so once it's screwed on there, it'll sit underneath the concrete. But to get it to screw on there, we gotta drop it down just a little bit. So we're gonna do that in just a minute. So we're gonna dig that out just a little bit more, but basically there's your fix right there. That sprinkler will go right there. We're gonna put a nozzle on it, and that is an easy sprinkler repair. Easy as in, like, it's fairly simple, other than just dealing with the concrete and angles. But other than that, it's just a matter of time, digging it up, figuring it out. So, anyways, there's that sprinkler repair. If you want to see some more repairs, check us out. I got a few. Maybe I'll do some more. But hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to the channel. Also, got a CTSV Cadillac that we're gonna go have some fun with that thing. So, anyways, stick around. Jake, what did you think, bro?
Dude, I've been in some fast cars, but this left me speechless.